Hey, it's me, Lisa, and I have to say I'm really excited to share with you a product that I've been looking for a really long time, but finally found on the shelves. It is Babybel plant-based cheese. So as you know, like you, I have been a fan of these Babybel cheeses for a really long time, and I was very excited to find out that they were coming out with plant-based cheese. Now, I eat dairy and I'm not vegan. I have no allergies, but I was very curious to try these just to see how they did. I have a lot of friends who are vegan, a lot of friends who avoid dairy, and so I wanted to try these out, and that is what I'm going to do right now. Okay, first thing I'm gonna notice is that instead of having like a little red wrapper, they have green wrappers, which I think is cute and really pretty. The calorie count is the same, 50 calories. Let's see how many grams of fat, 4 grams of fat. So it seems similar. And instead of the red wax, there's green wax, which I kind of think is fun and different. Maybe I just like it because it's different and new. You unwrap it the same way. You peel it off. There's a little cheese wheel. See that? Okay. And now we'll try it. Texture feels a little different, a little more plasticky. I hate to say that word. It's really soft. The taste is solid. It's interesting. It tastes a little bit like blue cheese. I miss the dairy a little bit, I'm not going to lie, but I think it'll melt really well. And I do think for vegans, it's a great option. So check it out. I don't know why the lights just changed. The lights are going crazy behind me. Somebody's excited about this cheese. Anyway, check it out. Again, Lisa Lilly, and also known as Hungry Girl. Until next time, do the right thing.